The liver is a vital organ of the body. It works very hard every day to filter out toxins and waste from the body, as well as conducting hundreds of other functions. If things go wrong with it, you will have a numerous of symptoms. Here in this video, we will show you some warning signs that indicate that your liver is full of toxins. Number 1. Unexplained weight gain. When the liver is overworked or damaged, it will struggle to deal with the thousands of toxins that attack it. The body will get used to storing unfiltered toxins in the fat cells, which will make you feel sick and cause numerous problems. If occupied with too many things simultaneously, the liver may become sluggish, which will result in toxic overload and weight gain. Number 2. Excessive sweating and body odor. If it works too much for a prolonged period, the liver can get hot and raise the temperature in the body. The organ will then try to cool itself by excessive sweating, which may result in body odor. Number 3. Allergies. When your liver feels that something isn't right, it starts creating antibodies that attacks the harmful compounds and make them go away. In cases when your liver is full with toxins, it will not do this work properly, and it will leave the allergens to develop in the body. You will start feeling the allergy symptoms. Number 4. Chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue is the most common symptom when it comes to liver toxicity. What you need to know is that the toxins play a huge role in disrupting your metabolism, causing fatigue, aches, and different pains. According to Dr. David Busher, the fatigue can even get worse when there is a buildup of toxins. This toxin buildup can ruin the entire immune system. Number 5. Having a bad breath. Dr. Frank Lipman reports, if the bad breath keeps coming back, that could be a sign of a liver malfunction. Crucial thing for you is to visit the doctor and speak about the cause. You need to check the liver and see if it functions normally or got rusty. Number 6. Stubborn acne. All those pesky toxins that build up in your liver cause hormonal imbalances. Those imbalances in turn lead to skin problems like acne. No amount of external cleansing will get rid of acne that's caused by a sluggish liver.